If you want to learn any practical skill which help you in project building, or if you want to do any kind of internship, or if you want to earn money through freelancing, then web development is perfect for you. Suppose if you go into Glassdoor websites which give the top trending list of a programming language, there JavaScript stands right on the top. Why? Because it's used in web development purposes. Okay, let us slow down our process and bring my iPad. Okay, I brought my iPad. Now let us open it first. Okay, here you are seeing UI, right? It is known as user interface. It is actually known as the front end. This is what front end developers will develop. Suppose if you want to get a more deep diving into the front end development, let us open Google website. So I think you are seeing here a Google website. Here search bar, this Google tag, here grids and a logo, everything. This is developed by front end developers by writing some front end code. Okay, I think now you got a very good idea about front-end development, right? Now what are the frameworks to learn front-end development? We'll discuss that. Before that, this iPad is very irritating me, so let us throw it into multiverse. Throw it. Okay, now what are the frameworks we need to develop or we need to learn to become a front-end developer? First thing is hypertext markup language. Yes, it is HTML, hypertext markup language. Actually, hypertext markup language is known as skeleton of the website, not the skeleton, but it is referred as skeleton of the website, not skeleton of the body. It usually consists of a tags. Here code is written in the form of tags. Everything content based thing comes under HTML. And second framework is CSS, cascading styling sheets. It is usually used to beautify the website. For this again, let us call our iPad from the multiverse again. Okay, we just bought our iPad. I think this is the thing, right? Okay, so let us see again. See, you are seeing a Google website again, right? Here the search bar is exactly in the middle. If you see cell phones, it is exactly on the right of the top. All these things happen. Have you ever thought why it is designed in such a way, and how can you design like this? It can be designed by using cascading styling sheets, which is known as CSS. Usually a code called margin auto is done to make it center. All these grids that you are seeing and every decoration you are seeing here is done using CSS. And third and final framework is JavaScript. JavaScript is known as brain of the websites, which usually do the functionality of a website. Suppose if you went into a YouTube channel and subscribed a channel, you will become a subscriber by just pressing one red button. All this functionality is usually done by JavaScript. So let's JavaScript do its work by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, I think now you understood what is front end, what are the frameworks to learn to become a front-end developer. Now third thing we are discussing is how much time does it take to become a front-end developer. Usually HTML takes about 7 to 10 days of time and CSS take about 15 to 30 days of time. You need not need to learn 100% of the HTML and CSS. You can just learn 50 and 40% so that you get familiarity with HTML and CSS. Now learn JavaScript for about 1.5 months to 2 months. Just learn 30 to 40% of the JavaScript. Now you'll get a basic idea what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and now start preparing your own website. Start building your own static website or functionality websites. This project-based learning is the best way to learn coding. So you can get remaining 100% idea of HTML, CSS and JavaScript by doing more and more projects, right? All these three things are clear now. Apart from HTML, CSS and JavaScript, there is another two things which are known as Bootstrap and jQuery. They are usually known as ready-made codes of JavaScript and CSS. You can use them. I have given the documentation of these two in the description. You can go and check there. And I think you have enjoyed this video and we added some value to your knowledge. If you also think so, then do subscribe our channel and don't forget to comment and like. Till then, take care, bye bye, but don't forget to win for yourself, to lose for yourself and to discover yourself. Jai Hind.